persona. I will review the journal application of effective cause in infective airway clear in the patient with bronchial AC. Enjoy watching. Definition: asthma is not communicable disease characterized by bronchial obstruction of the shortness of breath and wheezing. Asthma began with asthma allergy, then will cause antigen and antibody recognition. This recognition releases pathogen substances, then cause increasing sputum secretion and airway obstruction. Activity cause trace in one of the existing non-pharmacology treatment because it can be done easily and effectively to explain in asthmatic. Objective: the purpose of this study is to describe nursing care be applying effective cause to explain in bronchial asthma patients. Method: this study is the descriptive study in orange affliction. Linker district in July and June. The sample in this study were to all the bronchial asthma sufferers asking interview, observation, and physical examination method. Else, the result of this study includes the application of causing TQ is effective, prone to be able to help clients who do not have the ability to cause, to example, play actively and activity before the producer, then client cannot explain and actively and experiential. And after the action of giving effective cause, the church or person, the client effective cause ability incurs and can be for effective the key in the functionality. Conclusion: the application of effective cause to is very effective in removing plaques in patients with bronchial asthma. Suggestion: for future research, three can work together with local health boards to counseling and close-listening activity to increase knowledge and provide information, explains about bronchial asthma and effective cause through turning quiz. Effective cause is way to train patients who do not have the ability to cause ability with the aim of clearing the larynx, trachea, and bronchioles of foreign or foreign object in the respiratory tract. Effective causing exercise can help loss and relieve the respiratory pain and overcome shortness of breath to most filling the respiratory tract. Effective causing take use aim to overcome shortness of breath and help expand in the respiratory tract to nourish and help clear the respiratory tract. It can be clothed the nursing care with the application of effective causing. The NICU is very effective in explaining flaws in patients with bronchial asthma.